Friends, good evening. Today I am going to tell how to select a stock for intraday trading and swing trading purposes. So there are three things you have to watch on the stock. First, you have to see what candle it is formed on weekly and daily chart on the stock. You go here and see it is a bearish candle. Then again you go and see on weekly chart it is a bearish candle. So you have to see in that daily or weekly chart. I have already told you whether it is forming three white soldiers, three black crows, or hammer, or dozy, or spinning top, or any other kind of candle. So this will help you to judge the price pattern in upcoming day or next day. The second thing you have to see which kind of pattern is formed on the stock. From here you can go put a line chart and just see whether it is a double bottom, double top, or head and shoulder, or triangle, symmetrical triangle, ascending triangle. So that will help you to know the target of stock for next day or swing trading. I will advise you to have only 10 limited stock which have good good volume, and probably those should be Nifty 50 stock or next Nifty 50 stock. So because the stock you need ATR should be high, average to range should be high, so you have bandwidth to enter and exit and take the profit. Then you have to use technical indicators. I will advise to use only three indicators. The first is RSI. You can use the second, you can use MACD. The third is ADX. The fourth is any moving average, probably 50 days moving average. Go here and change it from here to 50 days. So I will make this screen big. So you have to analyze this on daily chart. Go to daily chart. So you can see that RSI is going towards down on daily chart. It is coming from 45 towards 39. I mean to say trend is bearish. The next see MACD, you see red line is crossing blue line. MACD signal line is crossing MACD, it means trend is bearish. Then you see ADX is above 20. This is supporting a bearish trend, and moving average is also going down. Moving average can be used to know whether it is a uptrend and downtrend. RSI can be is used to know whether it is a going towards oversold or overbought. MACD will let you know whether it is above zero line or below zero line. If histogram is coming as down, it means share is going down. Then ADX is above 25, and since the trend is downtrend, so it is telling you it is a bearish. So this stock is a bearish. So you can add one more in this, that is volume. So by that way you can see it has a good volume, so this share can be traded. You see last 2 days this share has a good volume. See, good volume, good volume, good volume. Here this share has, in this day this share had no volume, so it should not be traded. So these 4 things you have to use. Then remove wobble indicator. I am going to tell one only more indicator that you can add separately, that is super trend. This will tell whether trend is bearish or bullish. You see on daily chart, you see it is a bearish. See, so this stock is overall bearish. Daily chart. Then again you go on weekly chart, see it is bearish. So this will help you in sync trading, super trend. So these 5 indicators you can know to judge. Then candle, then pattern. This will help you. As per Dow theory, you have to trade in trend. So for intraday you use 15 minutes time frame. So you can use a trend line. Once you have a bear or bullish trade, you see you can draw by, you see. So by that way you will able to know this trend is downtrend, so you have a short rate. So but you have to enter at right point. I already told you pivot point calculator. You must have that, this data. You go into Axis Bank, and from daily chart you can note it down. Daily open, high, low, close values. I already told you this is exercise. You can refer to my earlier video. From here you go to daily chart and you put it here. Once cursor, you will get On this place you are going to get open high low close, and put open high low close on the pivot point. You see, you write down the values here and note it down: R1, R2, R3, S1, S2, S3. Please remember, if any stock is above pivot point, you can take a buy entry. If it is going towards pivot point to bottom, then you have a sell entry. There are too many permutation and combinations you have to use to win the game. Then I already told Nipsey option chain. I think you have done a practice on that. You go here, put it down, Axis Bank. Let's say you have to play Monday. You selected this stock as a bear trade. It is 380.50. It has closed. So you come here, see 380.50. So you see 9,60,000 open interest. Change in interest is 19,200. If it sustain, it will go to 400. There you have open interest 13,40,000 and 22,800. So you have to sell with. So you have to enter in this level and get the money by right entry and exit with a stop loss and trailing a stop loss. Exit it. Since this stock is bearish on daily and weekly chart, so better trade will be if short trade. So have a shorted and exit between these levels. You have to always trade with trend. Always please trade with trend, primary trend. I will tell you some of the basic points while a stock selection. To get profit intraday, have limited stock, limited trade. Select 5 Bullion bear share. Try to trade in only limited stock. Take 2 stock per sector which are really good and very good liquidity. Always trade with index and sector index direction. Trade in those shares which have a good volume. Stock selection process I already told. Use trend line to know uptrend or downtrend. Use pivot point. Use option chain. Trend line, you can use a 1 hour trend line. It is not recommended to use less than 1 hour trend line. You can use 30 minutes also. So in intraday, 1 hour and 4 hour trend line trade is a good. Normally 1 hour. That will tell you uptrend or downtrend. So friends, I told you this exercise. Let's say you have to play, today is Monday, you have to take trade tomorrow 9:30. So you have to complete your exercise. Select your share, write down the pivot point, write down the options, Nifty and support. Then morning you trade with trend with right entry point. While having a trade, please put your exit point. Otherwise you will be confused and you will continue the trade. Probably you might have losses. So always exit at predetermined point. Friends, I will request to share this video to others people also who are beginners, so they can learn the stock market. Probably they will not lose the money. Please share these videos to others also who are beginner, and tell them to subscribe, so they will be getting new strategies for their education purpose. They will have less losses or zero losses. They can sustain in the market. Please remember, only 5% trader get the profit, 95% lose. So to be in 5%, you have to do excellent efforts. You have to trade with discipline. You have to trade in predetermined stocks. Yes, if there is some news, or let's say some company has got order, or some company has got its rating upgraded, that you mix with this stock selection, so you have excellent results. Most of the trader or whomever doing trading, they don't have the success rate more than 50%. So to get profitable, you must have 60% trade success. If you implement this all, you will have 80 to 90% success rate, and you will not have losses. You have to always upgrade knowledge, upgrade skills to get the profit. Please have a paper trade if you are a beginner. With trade with a small amount of money. Talk to other traders. Review, take the logs of trade. Analyze what you have went wrong, what you would have done better. You might have better profit or better exit, better entry. So you have to mix up price. You have to see which candle is formed on daily chart. Then you have to use 5 indicators which I told you. Then you have to see the open interest. You should note down where major open interest is. Please remember, these open interests are changing in live market, so you can see there also. You have to know the support resistance of the stock. You can use the pivot point calculator. I will recommend you pivot point because this is using open, high, low, close, all. Some of the indicator, some of the these pivot point are available in software. So this is what I told you. Please have a practice. If you have any process, please see what is missing. You know my stock selection. You give me inputs. If I am missing something, I will amend and provide you remodified process. This is what I am sharing, my best of knowledge. So you can upgrade your skill based on that. You share if you have something special, and you share a trick which is much more profitable. I will try to review and revert to you. We must share knowledge in stock market, so we all can refine ourselves to get profitable. So please go through always my all videos, otherwise you will be missing, because I always refer previous video in other video. So this is what for today. Option chain I will tell you once I have a session on some good strategies on options. So that will be later, probably in 2-3 months. Please provide me input on my mail ID satyendra@gmail.com, or send me WhatsApp 9873938781 for your suggestions, for your any queries. I will not be picking phones from 9:30 to 3:30, as I am busy in trades or giving trainings to some people, so I may not pick up call in that period. So thanks a lot. Thank you, friend. Have a nice evening. Thank you.